YouTube? It's your girl Sarah with an H, back with another video. So this is the wig that I'm installing today. Look at the pluck, okay? Get into that pluck. So this is my beautiful client and all her beautiful hair. She has way more hair than the wig, but honey, that's what floats her boat. So it works for me. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and braid down her hair as you're gonna see in this video. I'm gonna try not to talk too much because it's pretty much self-explanatory. If you want a detailed video on how I braid down her hair, comment down below and I will do a video for y'all. So that's just a little homemade grease, a little homemade oil. Let me tell y'all something. It's a whole lot of y'all stylists out here that's not greasing y'all client's scalp. And I don't like that. The clients don't like that. They scalp don't like that. Y'all need to be greasing your client's scalp, period. Right here you just see me molding her hair back so we can get ready to put this cap on. So I'm using a sheer stocking. I know a lot of people are asking like where we're getting these caps from that are really thin. I just got a stocking cap. I'm gonna try to find one that's like a little more sheer than that, but that's what I have right now is a stocking cap. So sis, I suggest you get you one. Right here, I'm just securing the cap with some lace glue. I feel like it really floats your boat. Some people use hairspray, some people use hair gel, some people use glue. It really depends on how I'm feeling. Today I felt like using hair glue, so that's what I used. I'm gonna go ahead and sew the back of her cap down so the cap is not lifting. And y'all, I don't know why I got on this big ass blue tee, but I do, okay? I don't want to hear about it in the comments. I don't want to hear y'all talking crazy. I already know. So I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses, level 12. I probably could have went a shade darker. Next time I will go a shade darker, actually. But y'all get the point. We're going to match her skin so that the cap matches. We're gonna go ahead and fit this wig on her head. I like to do this first because I find when I sew the wig down first, it helps me keep the wig in place. So once it's already sewed down, I just lift the front up and then go ahead and put my glue. If y'all are new here, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, comment. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see in the future. Let me know what kind of wigs you want to see. If you want to see any quick weaves, sew-ins, ponytails, let me know in the comments down below. Right here you see me taking my sea breeze and I'm cleaning her skin. Make sure you clean your client's skin. I'm going to go behind that with skin protectant. Make sure you use skin protectant. I cannot say that enough. It really does help with the install. So you see those dots on her forehead? I use those as a guide so I can know where the hair is gonna lay. if I was to, you know, lay the wig right there. But I like to keep forehead, so I'm not going to put her wig all the way down there. As you can see, I'm not bringing the glue down as low as the dots because I'm trying to save some of her forehead. We're going to do 4 layers of glue. Y'all want to wait until this glue dries. Make sure it's completely clear. If you noticed, my client's glue was not completely clear, and that is because it was getting hot. Okay, I live in Vegas. My client was starting to sweat, and when you start to sweat, it will mess with the glue. So once I noticed that my client was starting to sweat, I wanted to go ahead and lay that wig down as soon as I could so that those dots, the sweat bubbles, wouldn't get bigger and then mess with my install. As you saw, I took the back of my comb and I'm pressing that wig into the glue. I'm taking my blow dryer on a cool setting and I'm going to dry that glue as much as possible. I'm now going in with my mousse. I just want to slick her hair back. I want to make sure that her hairline is nice and flat. Time for that bend. Now I'm just going to add her part, make sure that her part is laying flat, and we're going to put her up under the dryer. I'm going to try to stop talking until she gets back from up under the dryer. If y'all have any questions so far, leave them down in the comments below. If I'm going too fast, let me know in the comments down below. If y'all want me to slow the video down or speed it up, let me know. Just let me know what y'all want to see. Okay, I lied, I'm back. I like to, when I have a client that has a curly wig, I like to define the curls before I put her up under the dryer for the first time, just because I like to have like defined curls, but I don't like them to be wet. I like them to be dry and kind of big. So you'll see when she comes up under the dryer what I mean as far as like the fluff. Okay, and there is the fluff just like that. I just want y'all to get into the scalp, honey. Get into that pluck. So right now you just see me going in with my eyebrow razor and I'm going to cut off that excess lace. You do see me taking out some hair. I'm just removing any of the hair that is not on the glue, so it is a clean cut. Sis, I know you can see the ash because I can see the ash, but don't worry, we're gonna get rid of that, okay? Trust me. We're gonna carve out her baby hairs. So this is my secret weapon for today's video. I'm not going to show y'all too much, only because I am coming out with my own product, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, but I'm going to show y'all a different way to tint the lace in another video. So if that is something that you want to see, how to tint the lace without mousse, I will make another video on how to do so. This is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just defining her part. I don't like a part to be too thick because over time a wig does lose hair. So I like to make it thin but also noticeable, and that's why you see me going in with some more makeup, the same color that I used to tint her lace, and I am just going to define that part. Okay, because what ash? What ash? That is her head. That's her hair, period. Right now I'm just combing out those baby hairs because that hairspray did make it a little stiff. I'm gonna go ahead and pluck them out some so they're not as thick. Then I'm gonna cut them, curl them, swoop them babies, and I'll be right back. Okay, and now we have clean baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that part is defined. Now we have a part, honey, and that is the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe, honey, and I'll be back with another one. Thanks for watching.